Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to make your WordPress site stand out with a custom background image or color, this video is for you. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to add a background to your entire website, step by step, using WordPress's visual site editor. It's simple, modern, and beginner friendly. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, your site will have a completely new look. Let's start with logging into your WordPress account. Head over to the WordPress homepage and click on Login at the top right corner. Now, if you want to save a bit of time, click Continue with Google. Select the Google account that's linked to your WordPress site and you'll be logged in instantly. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Quick Links section. Under that, click Edit Site. If you manage more than one website, make sure to select the right one from the list. This will open up the WordPress Visual Site Editor, the place where all your design magic happens. Now let's move on to the fun part, customizing the background. In the top right corner of the editor, click on Styles. This is where you can tweak the look and feel of your entire site. Inside the Styles menu, find the Background section. Here, you'll see two main options, one for background color and another for background image. If you want a solid color background, simply choose a color that fits your brand or design. But if you're looking for something more visually appealing, go ahead and add a background image. Click Add Background Image, and you'll be asked to choose where you want to get the image from. You have two options. Upload, select an image from your computer. Media library, choose one that's already been uploaded to your site. Once you've selected the image, just confirm your choice, and you'll instantly see the new background appear across your entire website. Take a moment to preview your site and make sure everything looks good. If you're not fully satisfied, don't worry. You can experiment with different images or colors until you find the perfect one. And that's it. You've just added a custom background image or color to your entire WordPress site. It's quick, simple, and it gives your website a fresh, professional look. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.